channel. Hope everybody just having a wonderful day, a great day. Your day is going good, and that you're in the best of health, bills are paid, everything is well with you as you strive to be safe every single day. This video is about the earthquake. We recently had an earthquake in the Caribbean, okay? They said 7.7, and it's earthquakes are just, something that you cannot prepare for. It just happens, okay? This earthquake occurred closer to Cuba, closer to Miami, but we didn't feel a thing here in the Dominican Republic, okay? Not one thing, not a tremor, not an aftershock, nothing. The water seems to be calm here, and we just basically just having a good day. I'm not even sure it even hit Puerto Rico, and I believe that it did because Puerto Rico is right compared to where the Dominican Republic is. So I'm not even sure that Haiti got hit, but we did. The Caribbean did get, and I'll say it again, the Caribbean did get a 7.7 magnitude earthquake, okay? Things were shaking in other places. When I say shaking, I mean there's a whole lot of shaking going on. People was running out of big office buildings in Miami, and it seemed like there's a lot of things now that are happening and occurring real quickly since this year got started. Perhaps God is trying to tell us something, because these things that are happening is out way beyond our control. We can't do a thing about it. I just put out a video the other day about the horrific helicopter crash that took Kobe Bryant's life, his daughter's life, and 7 others. Things could have happened if he just didn't take off, like the police helicopters didn't take off that day. If he had kept the helicopter on the ground, they'd all be still living, okay? We don't know why. They're doing an investigation why that he would fly in that type of weather when the visibility is poor. They're trying to see if they had a black box, but there was a system on that helicopter that says low terrain, low terrain, low terrain, low terrain. And I don't know if the pilot even paid that any attention, because somewhere along the line, he had 20 years experience, but he got disoriented. So all you that got these jobs, whether you're a truck driver or whether you just cook in the kitchen, whatever you may do, delivering packages, you got to be focused on what you're doing. You work for a trash company, Republic Services, or waste management, whatever you do, every second you got to keep your eyes on what you're doing, because if not, something can happen within a span of a second to change your whole day and change your whole life. They used to tell us when I was working for public services that you got to keep your eyes moving and keep the big picture. If you look out, you pass 3 children, or if you look out your rearview mirror and there's 3 children playing, and when you get ready to pull off and there's only 2 children, there could be 1 child underneath the tire of your rear end trying to retrieve a ball or a toy. Okay, if you're not careful, you'll run over and crush that child, and you can have a bad day. The company can have a bad day, and here comes another lawsuit. Okay, so I'm asking you all to practice safety, because Caribbean E cares about you, cares about your family, cares about you having a good day, and you coming home to your family in a good shape mentally and physically at the end of the day. Okay, so again, in the Caribbean we had a big 7.7 magnitude earthquake, but we did not feel a thing in the Caribbean, in the Dominican Republic. We didn't feel a thing. So everything is good here, everything is normal here, and if anything happens and changes, we'll let you guys know. But I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that we're in the last days. The Bible speaks about earthquakes in diverse places. So these fault lines are beneath the Caribbean Ocean. They're beneath there. Something's going on, something's happening. So just keep your eyes open, practice safety, and I'm here to update you. So if you guys are still transitioning, want to move here, you still come. It's a safe place, a good place for your value of your money, and you can have a good day. So, as always, what's the other channel? In the meantime, between the time, like, to be enjoyed, hit that notification, subscription. We're glad to see that you guys are coming back to the channel, okay? Just don't come back, but hit the subscription. Even if you don't want to hit the notification, hit the subscription, that we can know that you're there and that you're cheering for us and that you're with us and that you're taking this journey with us and that we're giving you excellent information and good content. So when you decide to make that move, we're here for you and we're here to guide you and lead you in the right direction and give you all the tools that you need so your trip will be successful. So have a wonderful day. Stay safe. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.